This is how to make Game Pass in Roblox. It's completely free. You're just gonna wanna get a new tab. You can look up like Roblox. Just click this. Look up Creator Hub, and then or just look up Create Pass is Roblox. Then you're gonna see this. You're gonna see all of this, but the one thing is, go to dashboard. Now, click on one of the experiences. Now, go to associated items. You can create a badge, a developer product. I'm going for the pass. I already created a few for please donate. Just click this, and then you can just do this stuff, and then create pass. After, you're gonna want to click on the pass, and then you're gonna see it, and you're gonna want to click the sales on this side, and you're gonna want to click that, make it public, so then people can buy it, and then after that, just do the price of it, and there you go. I'll do like under you can do like 1 million, or for flipping please donate, or you can do under that. But yeah, there you go, guys.